boys and girls, turn to page 16 in your Superkids workbook. And today we're going to practice our penmanship with the letter Z. So we are going to start on the dot, slide over, slide diagonal down, and it looks like we just made the number 7, but we're going to slide back to make that Z. Now when you make the Z, you are not going to lift your pencil. Just do a bunch of sliding. Slide across, slide diagonal down, and then slide across again. And you're gonna trace those blue Z's. Then we're gonna go to the next row. And if I'm going too fast, you should pause me and take your time. I'm gonna trace both of these blue Z's, and then I'm gonna get to try by myself 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Start on the dot, slide over, little line, slide a big line diagonal down, and slide across. And you could try that 3 more times. Wow, these are great Z's. Zip, zap, done. Zip, zap, and done. Now, in our third row, we're gonna make a lowercase z, which looks exactly like uppercase Z, but it's smaller. It's not gonna start at strawberry, it's gonna start at vanilla. We're gonna make a little line across, we're gonna go diagonal down to chocolate, and little line across again. And you can take your time and go across and trace all of these blue Z's. And pause the video whenever you need to. On this next row, we're gonna trace the blue Z's again. Take your time. Practice makes progress. And then we're gonna find 1, 2, 3, 4 dots to try them again ourselves. Little line across, diagonal down to chocolate, and across. And you could finish that row all by yourself. And then go to my favorite row, the row with the pattern. Uppercase, lowercase, uppercase, lowercase. So we're gonna slide across the top, slide down to chocolate. And for the lowercase, we're gonna do the same thing, but start at vanilla. And we're gonna trace those 2 sets of blue Z's, and then we're gonna practice it ourselves, which can be a little tricky. Slide across, slide down to chocolate and over, and then start your lowercase Z. Great, and do it one more time. So you've made 2 pairs yourself of uppercase and lowercase. Now let's read the sentence in blue. The quiz is fun. So I want you to trace these blue letters, practicing to start each letter from the top and practice that tricky cue, magic C, straight up, straight down, and a backwards turn. U, I, oh, here's our Z, Z, our sight word is fun. Now remember that lowercase f, start right below strawberry, make that candy cane, and little line across the middle, U, and N, and then don't forget to put your period. Now we're gonna copy that same sentence underneath. Write the sight word the with an uppercase T, T, H, E, 1 finger space. Now, if I'm going too fast for you, don't forget to pause. And you're gonna write the word quiz. Qua, we need that Q, and the U, those buds. Icky, icky, I, and Z, and the finger space is, that's a sight word. We know it's spelled I, S, and then finger space, and our last word, fun. N. Fun. And don't forget your period. Great job, boys and girls.